Today, let's do some maintenance and cleanup of batteries and also clean up the wiring. All over the social media, campervans are often shown as luxurious and fancy vehicles to own. But in reality, maintaining a campervan requires commitment, regular care, and continuous work behind the scenes. Today, I will show you how to maintain lead-acid batteries, keep the electrical system clean, and organize wiring that naturally becomes messy over the time with regular use. First thing before we start any work is to switch off the solar charger and also the main cutoff switch. Remove all the battery connections. Let's go get the tools. Then remove all the connections from the batteries. So from here on it's going to get messy, so let me change into the work dress. These lead acid batteries are real heavy, you may need 2 people to lift this and keep it down. So every time we use a lead acid battery in a camper van, we make this plastic tray so that it can hold the extra fill out distilled water. Let me open this rear door for good air circulation. Wear some eye protection and gloves for safety. Carefully remove the plastic tray as it contains the distilled water. It may have little traces of acid also. Pour the liquid into the container and dispose it off safely. Rinse the tray with water and pour everything into the container. Then wash the tray thoroughly with water and also with soap and then with water. This is how the lead acid battery compartment looks like after we remove the plastic tray. All the solar charger, everything is off. So we will clean it up thoroughly with soap water. Over the time, the wiring became messy because we added some lights in the under the floor. So I will clean this up. So tidy up all the wires which are loose using a zip tie. Using zip ties as many as possible. Now this looks much more cleaner. Next step is to paint the wheel well. So let's go ahead. This battery compartment looks much more cleaner now. So next step what I did was to put some insulation on the wheel well after the paint dried. Cleaned up the batteries. Put the tray back after the paint dried. Put the batteries back into the tray. Connecting all the wires to the batteries. Applied grease on the terminals to prevent the corrosion. Turn on the main cutoff switch. So nothing unusual, so we are good. Turn on the solar charger. As of now, it is a little bit cloudy. Turn on the inverter. Checked all the lights, water pump and everything. Everything is working fine. This is how I fill the distilled water to the batteries using the siphon method. This is how I take care of the Campervan lead acid batteries. So if you like the video, please click the like button. Subscribe. I'll be posting more camping videos. Thank you for watching.